Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by crafting a dart trap and the smallest trigger you have. This is where you set the kill geometry. Place the trap so its muzzle faces the approach angle. Aim for choke points or narrow doorways. Once placed, attach a tripwire or button directly. Make sure the trigger line crosses the path at waist height for most zombies. You do this because initial placement determines hit probability and safety. Poor angle means missed shots and wasted darts, so correct alignment matters now. Once done, link the trap to reliable triggers and think about timing. You want darts to hit groups, not ping empty air. Use dual triggers or short repeaters to create a burst pattern. This increases hit chance on staggered hordes. Make sure you load the correct dart type. Standard for cheap suppression, MK2 for bleeding, explosive when you need damage versus armored targets. You do this to balance ammo cost and effect. Vary dart choice based on zombie type and expected wave strength. To finish, routinely inspect trap durability and stockpile darts. Traps degrade and empty during heavy nights, so make repairs before a big wave. If the trap misfires or hits the wall, check orientation, ensure nothing blocks the muzzle, and confirm the trigger is wired correctly. You often need to nudge the trap rotation or reposition the trigger line. Finally, deploy redundant traps spaced apart so one failure doesn't expose the path, and always leave a manual fallback to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.